Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Brent here from Seniors Working. Today we're going to talk about making your first video online. You can make money on YouTube absolutely free. You don't need to buy any fancy equipment. You don't need anything. To make your first video, you don't need fancy lighting. You don't need to make up a big pre-written script story. All you need is your cell phone. And all you need is to sit in an area where you got some light. You don't need any fancy lighting. You don't need a big screen reflecting light back and forth. You don't need anything. You don't need a fancy microphone. All you need is your cell phone. That's all you need. You can do this completely free without spending a nickel. All you got to do is you take your cell phone, put it down in front of you in a well-lit spot, turn it on, make sure the camera's pointing at you. You got to push reverse on your cell phone. Click on record and start talking. Make sure it's a well-lit room so the light's coming in. In front of a window works pretty good, I guess. I don't know. You tell me in the comments how this video turned out. This is my first video I'm putting on the internet, on my channel, for absolutely free. I didn't buy any lighting, didn't do anything. I just put my cell phone down in front of me, clicked it on record, and started yapping. I want all of you guys to sign up and come see me at Seniors Working. I got so many programs here you can join for absolutely free. And I'm going to show you how you can get a YouTube channel and associate links, put them in there and send them out to YouTube. YouTube's got millions of viewers. Your videos go out there, people start looking at them, they click on the links, and you can start making money. You can join Amazon completely free. You can join traffic programs completely free. Just put your links in there and make videos like this for absolutely free without buying any equipment. I want you to share this video with all the other seniors out there that are on a low budget. Okay, that's all for now. Be sure to subscribe and tell me how this video turned out. Bye for now.